I'm about to share with you 4 things that you must know before you join LiveGood. Now, if you're not familiar with what LiveGood is, it is one of the hottest online business opportunities out there right now. Thousands of people are joining LiveGood every single day. So if you're watching this video, you might be one of the people that's like, yo, I'm really thinking about joining, but I'm not sure. I'm still doing my research, but I'm getting close. All right. So hopefully after this video, you have a better understanding of what LiveGood is all about. All right. The first thing you must know before you join LiveGood is there is a cost. All right. Not a big cost, but there is a cost. All right. To get started with LiveGood and actually start earning money with LiveGood, you need to become an affiliate. And that is a one-time fee of $40. All right. So that $40 is basically going to allow you to earn an unlimited income with LiveGood. Now, after you pay the $40, there is a $9.95 monthly membership fee. Now, what this membership fee allows you to do is to get any and all products of LiveGood at a majorly discounted price. Plus, that $9.95 keeps you active as an affiliate. All right. So when you first get started, you're going to come out of pocket $49.95, and that's going to allow you to become a LiveGood member and an affiliate. The following month, you're only going to be paying $9.95 a month, and that's it. And they also give you an option if you want it. You can pay yearly and you actually save some money. You could pay $99 for the year. I'm on a $9.95 a month plan, but it's really up to you. All right, the second thing you must know about LiveGood before you join is it is a hybrid between an affiliate marketing and a network marketing opportunity. Why it's affiliate marketing? Because for every personal enrollment that you get a one-time $25 fast start bonus. All right. And a lot of people actually use LiveGood as just a primary affiliate marketing program where they just get $25 commissions. Then you got the network marketing side of things, which is you actually get paid off of your referrals, and their referrals, and so on and so on, until you actually build and fill up your own matrix. But yes, in my opinion, this is the perfect hybrid between affiliate marketing and network marketing. The third thing that you must know about LiveGood before you join is that yes, you can actually make money by not referring or selling anything. Now, a third thing you need to know before you join LiveGood is, yes, it is true. You can earn money without referring anybody or without having to sell anything. All right. So this is actually possible because of a thing called spillover. All right. So this is how it works. Whenever somebody joins LiveGood, right, they have to go underneath somebody else, right? So ultimately, the more people that come into the company, even without you doing anything, at some point, you're going to start receiving what they call spillover. And that's going to be people coming into your matrix, whether you like it or not, and you're going to start getting paid on those people. Now, you only get 25 cents for every person that's in your matrix. So if you sat around, did absolutely nothing, and maybe in 6 months, a year, maybe even 2 years, your matrix fills up, you can earn over $2,000 a month, and you actually, didn't do anything. You just sat there and kept your LiveGood membership active. This is actually very, very possible, but all right, there is no guarantee. Plus, there's no timeline of when this can happen. So there's been a lot of people who've actually signed up to LiveGood, and a month or two later, they're actually complaining that they're not seeing their $2,000 a month, which is like just crazy to me, because obviously these people did not read or they didn't comprehend, how the pay structure works. But in most cases, you're not going to get spillover money in the first month, 2 or 3 or even 4. This is something where you got to just wait for it, because remember, you're not doing a damn thing. And the fourth thing that you must know about LiveGood before you join is that if you want to make the big money, like the $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month, you need to go hard. Now, what I mean is there are already people in the company, only 6 months old into the company, that are making $15,000, $20,000, and $30,000 a month. All right, like this is real. All right, but these people go hard with LiveGood. They promote, and promote. You're probably wondering, how are these people making this kind of money off of a $10 a month program? Well, I'm gonna give you the short answer. Now, follow along, check this out. So for every personal referral that you bring into LiveGood, you're going to get your $25 fast start bonus, right? But then after that, you're going to get a 50% matching bonus for whatever that person makes in their matrix. All right, so let me just make it very, very simple. Say you bring in John, right? You bring in John, he decides to become an affiliate, you get a $25 fast start bonus. Now let's just say John is a beast, right? John is not playing around. He's trying to get some serious money with LiveGood. So he goes out there in a year. John starts making, $5,000 a month from his matrix, right? He just going hard. Now, just because you refer John, you're going to get $2,500 a month. So you got to ask yourself, how many people do you want to refer? How many 50% matching bonuses do you want? Because the crazy thing about LiveGood and this compensation plan is just having 2 people, right? Just referring 2 people can make you a lot of money in this company. But a lot of people, they're trying to get 50 referrals, 100 referrals, 500, and so on and so on. But you got to ask yourself, how many 50% matching bonuses do you want? So if you're watching this and you're like, yes, I am down. I want to get started with LiveGood, but I'm not just going to sit back and wait for 2,000. I want to get that $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month. Well, if you're that type of person, be prepared and ready to promote. Be prepared to put this opportunity out there in front as many people as you can. If you're willing to grind, you will be successful with LiveGood. So if you are excited and ready to jump on the LiveGood team, all you need to do is click that first link in the description, take the LiveGood tour, and I will see you on the team.